changing to try and please me. You never let me down before.
Hello. Morning. Welcome to my show.
You're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore.
Nothing is done halfway, and this applies to how she loves as well. You marry the life of the party, and like Kim's dad said, a force of nature. I'm very glad that you came into Kim's life, and I wish for you both to stay eternally curious about one another, passionate about sharing life, and to care for and love one another, no matter what tomorrow brings.
Don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair.
And while he continues to be a man of few words, you always know that he is a dependable friend, someone that you can always rely on no matter what. And that is the kind of person that you have chosen him. So well done, and thank you for taking him on as a housemate for life. Because when Jeff first brought you home to meet us, we knew that you bring the type of energy and happiness to him that no one else does.
I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are.
And now, some sagely marriage advice. Actually, there's really only one rule to remember. That is, the wife is always right. Right?
Yes, dear. There is a saying that when your child finds true love, parents find true joy. We want the two of you, Kimberly and Jeffrey, to know how happy we are for you. Kimberly, we can be rest easy, knowing that we have found the right one. Jeffrey, we entrust our daughter Kimberly to you.
It's a sense, what you need to set it. Sometimes I write a little song, so you don't forget it.
Jeff, we made it! The journey to get to this stage today has been filled with both laughter and tears, but I'm so glad that I can stand by your side today as your wife. I can't be certain of what married life has in store for us, but what I can count on is the fact that we'll always face whatever comes our way hand in hand. You are truly my soulmate, and the fact that you give me such certainty about an arbitrary notion really tells me every day that I'm so glad I found you. To forever!
1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 2, 16, 12. Is a good in my heart. I go 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. I go.
To Kim, the love of my life. Relationships in the real world usually aren't as dramatic as they are on our screens. And it's the small everyday things that amount to a much bigger picture. Thank you for loving me the way you do and showing me what love really is and can be. I love you then, now, forever and always.
Oh my God.